The Laredo jacket is all about its ultra lightweight for wear in warmer temperatures. Laredo is made of black, smooth, premium leather. Soft and easy wearing, the Laredo is suitable for riding and casual wear. This top-selling jacket offers a clean, simple, tailored cut without visible branding or exterior hardware to scratch your paint. Laredo features include snap-down collar, 2 exterior hand warmer pockets, adjustable waist snaps for more comfortable fit, a lightly quilted lining, and interior storage pocket. The Laredo for women has all the same features but is especially cut to fit a wide variety of women. The length is upper mid-hip and is easy to zip for full-figured forms. Laredo is offered in men's sizes 38 to 54, women's sizes small through XXX, and comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. To find an authorized River Road retailer and more River Road products, go to riverroadgear.com.